Oh my God, now look, they have to babysit a mental patient. Poor dude. He's like, fucking help me, ambulance, come. Or even, the transportation vans that are quite quick these days. They come like soon. I even see them put their lights on. So, yeah, this is sad. Is this the same dude or another dude? I don't know. Oh my God. Oh my God. We need a mental hospital for these people to get off the hard drugs, get their self-respect back. Are they letting them go? They're like, we don't want you. No, they're not letting them go. They're like, we fucking don't want you. I've never seen that before. We don't want you. I'm sorry. But, I'm sick seeing this. Are those hospital booties or are those running shoes? I can't tell.